Right, Steve, we all need a bit of twine in our garden, don't we?
Never leave the shed without a bit of twine in your pocket.
And one of our favourites is this one from Nutscene.
Used it for as long as I can remember.
So this spool is about 110 metres. You get plenty in it, and it's made from jute.
Right,
so it's sourced from sustainable parts of the planet.
Environmentally friendly.
And it's biodegradable.
Very good.
It's 3-ply. You draw it from the middle like that, but it's very, very strong.
Tough, yeah.
But
hold up
very
anything,
colourful.
Tomatoes or whatever.
Yeah. It's 21 colours altogether.
That's amazing. I do like the blue.
Yeah.
Really good.
So if you are looking for some good quality twine, but also very attractive and makes lovely presents as well. I mean, you can use it for craft purposes as well, it's not just in the garden.
A flower garden, I guess you can colour coordinate, can't you?
Yeah. So a lovely product and something, you know, we urge you to look at.
Yeah, highly recommended.